Hey guys, in this video, it'll guide you through how you can fix the background check on the Uber app. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your mobile device and all of your device settings will be displayed. Simply scroll down a little bit and tap on the Apps feature and all of the installed apps on your device will be displayed. Now, you just need to locate the Uber app and access it. Inside App Settings, make sure that the data usage is set to 0. After that, access the Storage tab. Then, tap on the Clear Data button at the bottom of the screen and select Clear Cache. This will help reset any issues that may be affecting the background check. Once you have cleared the cache, get back one step and then force stop the application. This step is crucial as it will ensure that the changes take effect. So that's basically how you can fix the background check on the Uber app. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.